People versus Mariano. GR number L-47437, September 29, 1983. This is for criminal procedure, specifically on who may file crimes that cannot be prosecuted the official. Subtopic Section 5, Rule 110 of the Rules of Court. Facts of the case. This was an original case for rape filed by the mother on behalf of her daughter, who was diagnosed with schizophrenia chronic. Said crime was filed against accused Gamelo Mariano, who was a faith healer or spiritista. The regional trial court convicted the accused for the crime of rape despite his denial as a defense. At the Supreme Court, the accused invoked the provisions of Section 4, Rule 110 of the Rules of Court, which is now under Section 5. He argued that the regional trial court did not acquire jurisdiction over the case because the victim's mother had no right or authority to file a complaint for rape because the victim's father was still living. Issue: whether the accused is correct in holding that the victim's mother had no right or authority to file a complaint for rape because the victim's father was still living. Ruling: the Supreme Court said no. The accused is not correct in holding that victim's mother had no right or authority to file a complaint for rape because the victim's father was still living. The Supreme Court agreed with the accused's contention that the trial court does not acquire jurisdiction if the complaint charging an accused with any of the private crimes, which in this case was rape, is not filed by one of the persons indicated in Section 4, Rule 110 of the Rules of Court, now under Section 5. The Supreme Court said that there was nothing in the context thereof to support the view that the mother cannot present the complaint if the father is still living. Furthermore, under the existing jurisprudence, Section 4, Rule 110 of the Rules of Court, now Section 5, does not categorically specify that the father has the preferential right to file the complaint for private crimes. It is noteworthy that the father and mother jointly exercise parental authority over their legitimate children who are not emancipated. Therefore, the accused is not correct in holding that victim's mother had no right or authority to file a complaint for rape because the victim's father was still living. In applying the foregoing, judgment appealed from was affirmed.